Hi there, welcome to my blog once again, tlwstockbrokers.wordpress.com. We'll be looking at what the NSE ASI did today. I titled today's report is 20,617 support level still intact. Today the market continued to struggle even though it found strength to climb back from the negative opening, leading to mixed close up by about 21.93 points, closing at 20,657. Well, I'm going straight to technicals. I did say yesterday that NSE was trending within a tight channel of 20,626 and 20,692 points. Today, the channel seems to be tighter, trending within 20,657 highs and 2615.87 lows before closing at 20,657 points. At this stage, it tested and broke its 28 December support levels of 20,617 by 1.13 points and closed above yesterday's close. This pattern in technical analysis, we call it more of a spinning top, and also it formed a double bottom formation. We'll explain this later. You can check on the blog on the remaining reports. Now going to the chart, we're looking at today's chart and what did the market do. This is more of a line chart, so we can't really get the open, high, low, close. But what the market did today was it trended between above this yellow line and within this green line. I did say the last support level was about 20,617.73. The index actually made intraday low, breaking below that line and rebounding back. Now we can see a double bottom formation, that's here and here, just like how we saw the last one, which is called the double top formation. That was here and here, a double top formation. So at this stage now, we need to see where the NSE ASI is heading. From our own view, from what I said from my report, there were spikes of the NSE ASI hitting below this last support level. Those are signs of possibility that the market might go lower. And I said earlier that my 14-day RSI has already given me a sell signal already, but it's still above a 50-day moving average. It's still above 50 points, which still regards us we are still in a bull trend that is above this, because the last time we saw such levels was I think that was December. That's when RSI spiked above. But for the whole of last year, most part of last year, it was trending from after the June rallies. The RSI was trading below this line, and the next time we saw it was about October, end of October. Did about 1 or 2 weeks into early November before it plunged back. So as long as NSE ASI is above this line, this might be the beginning of a bullish trend. But for now, we are likely to see more correction downward before we'll see a change from on what direction we're going to take. The NSE30 formation, if you're looking at the same RSI level of about 50, yep, around here, and you see most of the period of June, that was when they broke out and trended below these levels. That's when we're now seeing all these lower highs and lower lows, and trended above this, the same pattern as the NSE ASI, and bam, we're on top of it. So these are beginnings of new rallies, but what we are going to see is likely pullback. Like now, the NSC 30 is finding difficult to break above the 931.87 resistance level. It has tried it three times, one, two, three, but still good enough. We are still above this 5-day moving average. So for now, it's more of a like a double-edged sword. The market is within a very thin line now. Either it breaks out or it continues to rally, and the bands are getting tighter. The NSE 30 is now above a medium and a long-term moving average. So we are on track now, but basically we need to watch this area because this will give us a true reflection of how the market is gonna be. Now we're looking at some gainers and losers and what happened on the floor of the exchange. We are looking at Ashaka. Ashaka is the highest loser after making some um, 3 days rally, came back. This is what I'm scared of. The bulls are building momentum. One, two, three. That's from about 1070 to about 1177, and in one day the best took about, it took off 3 days rally. So these are my concerns now that the market is not ripe enough for a pullout. But if we look at our RSI levels now, we are trending higher lows and lower highs. So possibility of a rebound within this area, that's about either 1070 or about 1050. So Ashaka is going to be trading within those ranges. We need to see, at least if we want to know if there's good entries, we're looking at this level. That's the line here, and if it's going to make a higher low. So those are the levels we're looking on Ashaka. But for now, um, we've seen some profit taking within this region. The next level will be the Access Bank. Access Bank has been trending from middle of December, has been trending higher highs, higher lows. But from what we saw here, I'll look at my retracement levels. I'm looking at my retracement levels. You see the nice curve here, here, here. These were resistance levels until it went here, formed this resistance is now a support level. It broke out, but with some more of profit taking. So there are two scenarios for Access Bank now. Either it rebounds here to establish a new support line, which will be around this area of 503, or it pulls back, and it's going to pull back within two regions. The first region is going to be 474, 479, and possibly this area. That's within this channel 470. So these are the levels we'll be watching. Access, a break below this level will push us back to 443, but I think it's too early. We've seen some higher highs and higher lows. I think it's okay for now. Eternal oil, you can see the trend. You see, if you want to trade any stock, you need to know what trend. No matter even they are trending lower lows or lower highs, we can still find good entry and exit levels. Now eternal oil has gone 2 days down, and possibility of finding good entries here or here. So a pullback tomorrow down by full 5% will be a good entry. Vitafoam after 3 days rally is pulling back. Just one day the bears took a large chunk of the stock, so we are possibly watching for a second rebound. I find good entries between 470 and let's say about 485. Now we're going to the gainers. I wouldn't look at champion. I think was a correction. Honeywell flour, a low cap stock on FBT. You can see what I was saying, lower highs and lower lows. It has broken that resistance point. So this now establishes a new support level for it. How far it's going to go, I'll take profit around this area, and this area if I entered within this area. Custody insurance trending higher lows, higher highs. So it did an inverted hammer here and formed a full bullish engulfing here. So the stock is either way, either it bounces down to this level or it starts a new trend. Let me extend this. It starts a new trend. So this is the beginning of new higher highs and higher lows for custody insure. Downflower, good rally. I did buy, I think I bought Downflower around, yeah, 5 naira, and I'm out. I'm a short-term trader. I took some profits. I like this rally because it's been trending. So what areas are we looking at for Downflower? The first area will be the 589 levels, and about 599. I didn't want a situation where tomorrow there will be profit taking and I will not be able to get out of the trade. So I had to do that today to play safe. If a pullback occurs, I'll go in, but for now we're likely to see some profit taking within this level. The next one we're looking at will be FTSE. You can see the trend, lower lows, lower highs. It broke out of this. The resistance point is now a support level. It has confirmed this. Okay, exit level for now short term will be about 98 kobo. So generally I think it's okay for this is what I have for you for today's trade. We'll be watching how market reacts tomorrow. It's still, we're within a very tight trend now. I'll be watching what happens. Thank you and bye.